Hey everybody, welcome back to Dead Man DZ's Kanji Study Streams. We got 12 new vocabulary words from the JLPT N2 list. As always, this is a writing study practice. I write to memorize things, so if I see a new kanji I don't know, I'm going to write it down 10 times on stream while I repeat the word. I'll go over the radicals in new kanji and how we can kind of think up a little story to remember the word. We'll go over the readings and meanings as well. If it's a new word but it's made up of kanji I already know, I'm just going to go over the meanings of each of the kanji and how it comes to make the new word. And we'll write those down 3 to 5 times. If you want to watch this at your own pace, head on over to YouTube. And if you want these word lists for yourself, head on over to Google Drive. Our first word of the day is a gakkai. Gaku on the left side meaning study or learning, and kai on the right side meaning a meeting. So a gakkai is a scientific society, an academic meeting, a learning meeting, or an academic conference. A gakkai. Gakkai is an academic conference or academic meeting. Gakkai. Gakkai desu. Gakkai is an academic conference or meeting. Gakkai is an academic conference or meeting. Gakkai. Number 2 is Junjun with our kanji for order repeated with our ditto sign. Order, or in turn, or in it by order. Junjun is in turn or by order. Junjun desu. Junjun. Junjun desu. In order or by turn. Junjun is in order or by turn. Number 3 is kansetsu. Setsu is a connection, and kan on the left side means a space or a gap, meaning indirect or indirectness. There is a space between what you are trying to connect to and what you are actually doing. Kansetsu is indirection or indirectness. Kansetsu. Kansetsu is indirect, indirection, or indirectness. Kansetsu. Kansetsu is indirectness or indirection. Kansetsu. Kansetsu. Kansetsu desu. Number 4 is mi dashi. Mi on the left side is to see or to view, and dashi on the right side is what is put out or brought out or shown out. So a mi dashi is the first heading or headline that you see, the title or the caption. It can also refer to an index, meaning you look at it and then you can pull it out of whatever the index is for. So a midashi is an index or a title. A midashi. Midashi is an index or a title, the head word or the caption. Midashi. 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 Number 5 is kin. Ki on the left side meaning hunger or to starve, and kin on the right side also meaning hunger. So a kin is a hunger or a famine. It can also mean a crop failure or a chronic shortage of something like food or water. Kikin is a famine, crop failure, or chronic shortage of something. Our new kanji here is ueru, or kin, with to eat or food on the left side. And on the right side, we've got a kanji that is used. This radical is very close to one that's used for muzukashi, which is kind of how I'm trying to remember it. But there's no set piece like radical meaning for this whole right side. So at least not as far as I could find. So I'm just going to remember that it's hard to find food is hunger. Kin or ueru is hard to find food. Kin desu. Kin. Kikin no kin is hard to find food. Kikin no kin. Kikin no kin. Kikin no kin. Kikin no kin. Kikin no kin is hunger. Kikin no kin. Kikin no kin is hunger. Hard to find food. Kikin no kin. Kikin no kin. Together with kikin no ki, food on the table that's not actually there. You're hungry when food's on the table, plus kin for hungry again. We have hunger, or famine, or a shortage of food or water. Kikin is a famine or chronic shortage of food. Number 6 is an easy one with shoppu, all in katakana. No hiragana to remember. Shoppu. There is that glottal pause before the pu, so it's actually shoppu. Shoppu is to shop, or a shop, I should say. Shoppu is a shop. Shoppu. Number 7 is, again, just katakana for suchua desu. Suchua desu. Suchua desu is a stewardess. Suchua desu. Suchua desu. You do hold out that wa. Suchua desu. Suchua desu. Suchua desu is a stewardess. Number 8 is a fun one with totomo. This is more of a grammar pattern than a word, but it's really x totomo ni y. Nani nani totomo ni nani nani. So the preceding x, totomo ni, tomo is together, so is together with is kind of a direct translation, but that's not how I would tell people you're translating. Totomo ni is together with y. X together with y. Something something together with something something. Totomo ni. It kind of means at the same time as, honestly. Like something rises at the same time as something else. Something goes at the same time as something else. Something starts at the same time as something else. Totomo ni is together with. Totomo ni. Totomo ni. Number 9 is fukai. Fu on the left side means not or anti, and kai on the right side means pleasurable or joyous. So fukai means displeasure, discomfort, indisposition, or an ailment. Fukai is not pleasant or displeasure. Fukai. Fukai is displeasure or not pleasant, discomfort. Fukai. Fukai is displeasure or not pleasant. Fukai desu. Fukai. Fukai. Fukai is displeasure or not pleasurable. Fukai. 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 Number 10 is abura. Abura is to warm one's hands or to dry one's hands, like on a fire, or it could also mean to toast, grill, or broil something on a fire. Abura. 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 Abura is to toast and warm your hands, or to actually toast something on the fire. Abura. Abura. Number 11 is a so sen. So on the left side meaning an ancestor, and sen on the right side meaning before. So your ancestors before you are your ancestors. Your so sen are ancestors. So sen are ancestors. So sen are ancestors. So sen our ancestors. So sen. So sen our ancestors. So sen. And finally, number 12 is medetai. Medeta, omedetou gozaimasu is like saying congratulations on something, and medetai is the part of that that means happy, auspicious, joyous. It can also mean naive if used ironically. Medetai is happy or auspicious. Medetai. 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 Let's go back to the top. Make sure we memorized all these. Be sure you make some flashcards out of these bad boys and you're going over them. Again, that's where most of the memorization happens for me, probably for you too. First, a scientific society or an academic conference is a gakkai, or a meeting for learning, a gakkai. In order or in turn is junjun, with our kanji for order or turns. In order or in turn. In direction or indirectness is kansetsu. Kan on the left side for leave some space, and setsu on the right side for connection. A heading, headline, title, caption, or index for something is a midashi. Mi on the left side for to see, dasu in the middle for to bring out or pull out, and shi on the right side is just hiragana. A famine or crop failure or a chronic shortage of something is a kikin. Ki on the left side for hunger, and ki again on the right side for hunger. Kikin is a famine or a shortage of food or water. A shop is a shoppu. Shio. Chisai tsu. Pu. Shoppu. A stewardess is a stewardess. 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 Stewardess is a stewardess. Together with, or x together with y is x totomo ni y. Totomo ni y. Displeasure, discomfort, or indisposition is fukai. Fukai. Fukai is displeasure or discontentment. To warm one's hands is abura. Abura, yes, that's the same thing as oil, but in this case, abura. Aburu. Oh, I think I messed that up. I think this is aburu. Chotto matte ne. Aburu, yeah. Abura is oil. Aburu is warm your hands. Aburu. Sumimasen. Aburu. Aburu. It's our verb. It's a verb. It's you are warming your hands. It's not abura, which is oil. Sorry. Aburu. An ancestor is a so sen. So your predecessors are so on the left side, plus sen on the right side for before, or your ancestors. You are so sen. And finally, happy, auspicious, joyous, or naive was medetai. Medetai. Thanks for watching today, everybody. I hope you had a good Monday. I hope it wasn't too bad. And I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Domo arigatou gozaimashita. じゃあまた明日ね。楽しんで番組を見ますよね。俺にこんばんは。俺のこんばんは。多分日本語の映画を見ます。多分。じゃあまたね。